My name is Esau Ramirez from Axiom. I am here today with this month's Axiom Presents video.
Thanks, Ryan. The objective of the game is pretty simple. First one to pick 5 customer orders keeps their job. Yep.
What's everyone? Axiom. Speaking of heavy duty, have you experienced damaged racking or equipment from fork trucks in your warehouse? How about one of these guardrails? Heavy duty's heck, knock the forklift right out of the way. Won't really do that though.
Action.
Last week, I was in the drugstore.
You got it.
I don't got it.
Zone in.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Something. Little bends.
Camera. So look in the camera.
I won't look. Look at here.
Oh, they're so much fancier than mine.
No. You gotta give me one.
For this week's Axiom Presents video, we want to show you some instances that go beyond our sales team.
End of the year is coming, and we know your equipment might be that in a minute. Hey Shannon.
Hey Calvin.
Hey, can you show me around Cubic Design Mezzanine here? Or Cubic Designs? Yeah, messed up.
4, 1.
Check out this big bad baby. I keep seeing it now. What makes this unit work is its rail. Who happens if you can't put a rail in your building? Let's say you lease it or you're in a clean or dirty environment. Hi.
Esau, can you tell me how to spell millennials?
Millenials. Wrong. Do it again. Big upset today from the rookie. Damn it.
I'm Kyle. All I do is sit up and that. Nope. Maybe we can look over here on
That's
this.
a good idea. That's a good idea. We
Yeah.
have to move that column.
I think that's
over.
a great idea.
Yeah.
Let's talk about stuff.